I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to enable Gemini Assistant on your Samsung S24 Ultra. First, make sure your phone's software is completely up to date. This ensures compatibility and access to the newest features. Next, confirm that the Google app is installed and updated on your device. You can check for updates in the Google Play Store. Finally, we'll navigate through your phone settings to start the activation. It's a straightforward process that will get you using Gemini in no time. Now let's dive into the settings. Open your phone's main settings app. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find Assistant or Digital Assistant apps. Once you locate it, tap on the Google Assistant option. Within these settings, you'll find a toggle or an option to switch your default assistant. This is where you'll make the crucial change from the standard Google Assistant to the new Gemini experience. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection. After activating Gemini, take a moment to personalize your experience. Dive into Gemini's settings to adjust preferences like its voice, language, and how it handles personal results. You'll also need to grant any necessary permissions for Gemini to fully access your device features, ensuring it can assist you effectively. Finally, familiarize yourself with how to invoke Gemini. This might involve a specific voice command, a long press on the power button, or a gesture, depending on your phone's configuration. Enjoy your new enhanced assistant. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to clear the cache of your Google app and then restart your Samsung S24 Ultra. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, double-check that your Google account is properly synced and active on your device, as Gemini relies on this connection. For more advanced troubleshooting, you can always visit Google's support pages. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, along with other great deals to enhance your daily life. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.